amukela valandzeleri va Zaka Mzala Publishers YouTube channel. Namuntlha hi ta languta mhaka leyi humesiwaku hi xiyimbeleri xa ndhuma Papa Penny, laha va kombisaka leswaku vona hi tlhelo ra hala ka vuyimbeleri a va kume mpfuneto kusuka ka mfumo hi tlhelo ro ra ku kuma mali yo phalala kumbe swakudya, ende va kombisa leswaku ku pfalapfaliwa ka tiko leswi nga vangiwa hi corona swi va vangeli ndlala hi tlhelo ra hala ka vuyimbeleri. A hi twaneni Papa Penny loko va khe va swi tlhantlhatlhantlha va khe va ku swi chupuchupu va khe va bosetela mutiyiso. Inkomu.
Hello, Mr. President. Please, I beg you, I'm talking on behalf of all South African artists. We don't have a food. We have lost our business of music from the fake CD. All the record bar is gone. Now the corona. We don't see any budget for artists. Maybe it's there, but we don't see anything from National Arts and Culture, provinces, to look after the artists. What do we have done the wrong in South Africa as artists? Please, Mr. President, give us some food. We don't cry so much, only food, because our business is not there anymore. Artists dying every day because of poverty, anger, no food. Please, Mr. President, help South African artists. Make the department budget for all South African artists. We are losing a good artist every day because they don't have a food with their children. What wrong we have done as artists in South Africa? If budget is there, it's gone for their friends and family. Artists dying there. We've been handling this entertainment from long ago. It's a South Africa today because of artists, music, entertainment. We've been singing, politicking in the music. We've been in the struggle with the music. But today in our freedom, artists, it seems like we have done something wrong to government. I appeal to President, help us as artists. Artists dying every day. No job. No food. Please, hakombela, reakupa, siyacela, rekadumbela. Artists are dying. The legends are dying because of no food, no money, no job. We have lost everything. Please, Mr. President, I salute. Aye.